welcome back to the Network Soldier. Today I'm going to go ahead and talk to you about the Network Plus and the CCNA and see which one's right for you. Do we go vendor neutral or do we go vendor specific? Does it really matter? I see you in the comments. I see you down there talking about it.
I see it all.
And today, hopefully, I'll be able to clear it up for you and anybody else that's maybe new here. So first up, we have the Network Plus, which is a vendor-neutral certification brought to you by CompTIA. I'm sure you've heard of it. CompTIA is kind of a big contender out there for its vendor-neutral offerings. It will cover a broad range of fundamentals. It'll give you theory. You will learn a lot while studying for the Network Plus. However, with the CCNA, you will learn how to actually dive into the equipment. You will actually learn how to configure. You will also learn the fundamentals that you would also learn with the Network Plus, but it's more vendor specific. Now we're going to talk about price. So the Network Plus at the time of this recording is $369, and you could get a lot of affordable training through resources like YouTube. There's a lot of YouTubers out there that are actually creating a lot of resources for the Network Plus. Professor Messer, I believe, is one of the leaders in the YouTube community for providing that kind of training with the CompTIA. Next, you have the CCNA. So the CCNA is going to run you about $300. So already, CCNA is already looking better. It's a cheaper certification. However, there's an asterisk there. It is harder. It will be more difficult to train for and pass the CCNA just because it's more vendor neutral. You're going to have that hands-on. You need that hands-on experience with the CCNA. If you don't have the hands-on experience, you're likely going to fail. So there's a lot of good resources. I personally use CBT Nuggets to train for the CCNA. They have virtual labs. It's great. Now, if you don't want to pay $60 a month, you can use Cisco Packet Tracer, which is a good simulator, or Cisco Modeling Labs, which I learned recently is free. It has a free tier anyways. I think it's good for 5 nodes, which is great. I used to have to pay $100 for it or something like that. I really don't remember. Don't quote me on it. So there's a lot of great training resources out there. I do work with some folks that do have the Network Plus, but now they're working on getting their CCNA. Obviously, I work with them. They did land a networking job. Now they're like junior admins, and I'm more of the engineer in my work environment.
I am the king!
But they know their stuff. They were learning. They're doing a great job. So you could get a network job with either certification. However, the next thing I want to talk about is career progression. So with the Network Plus, you're probably not going to land anything much higher than a junior admin position, maybe even just a tech kind of position. If you're looking to do more of a senior admin or even a network engineering role, then you would most likely want to go for the CCNA. The CCNA is just more respected in the field. If you look on DICE or if you look on Indeed or LinkedIn, if you just search by the certification, you're going to find more results looking for the CCNA. You just are. So it's really up to you. I would strongly urge that you go ahead and just go for the CCNA. It might take you a little longer to study, but it's well worth it. And at the end of the day, you're going to spend less. You're not going to spend as much money because you'll just have the $300 CCNA as opposed to the $369 Network Plus, and then you have to go take more certifications. So hopefully I was able to answer your questions in this short video. I respect your time. I really do. Hopefully I covered enough stuff in this video to get you ready for the career field. Man, get out there and get it. Like the IT career field is just so vast. Like you could learn so much in this career field. If you get bored with one thing, you go to another. Like it's great. So I'll stop rambling. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it or if you got anything out of this material, please give me a like, subscribe. It would mean a lot and it will help me keep going and providing these videos for you. So thanks for watching.